course.
Hell yeah.
Of
Them
course.
yeah, definitely love.
You
That's a
got
whole
us.
You
lot of
know,
love.
You got
nah,
us.
we
You
got,
got us.
yeah, we got quality over quantity.
You got it.
It's easy to hate. That's why it seems like it's a lot of it, but it's not. That shit ain't nothing. They tried it in Mexico, failed. They tried it in Nicaragua, failed. They tried it in Panama, failed. They tried it in Hawaii,
Hey,
failed. What you think gonna happen this time, bitches?
Fail.
Because the
hey,
hate is
fam.
Fail.
misdirected love.
You
Nature
have to
boy, you
restart the
remember
IG, but it's all
when we
good.
What's it say?
when we
We
first
got
got
1 minute
connected, fam.
remaining, little
Oh,
under
okay.
2 minutes remaining.
Okay.
When
Three
we
like
first got
this.
Is he
I'm gonna
on
connected,
the
go ahead and
phone?
restart it now.
he on the phone.
Yep.
Yeah, he's still here.
Hey, fam, remember when we first got connected, homie? They were saying Nature Boy got 5 federal warrants. Lying like a motherfucker. He got 5 warrants
I
from the
don't think he
FBI.
heard you, Brandon. He
Yeah,
didn't hear
got
you.
county phone call.
They kept
He
lying
said,
like a
huh?
motherfucker. Tell him what I said, Joe. I think my phone low.
He can't hear you.
Hold
I
on.
said when we first got connected, everybody kept saying Nature Boy got 5 warrants from the FBI. He got 9 warrants from the FBI. Lying like a motherfucker. All capping. You done been through this bullshit before. Like
Yeah,
the hate
he
been there.
has.
They was lying like hell then. They been wanting you for the longest. The same haters from before was the same ones here now, pressing the issue, trying to do everything they can in their power. Mm, that shit ain't finna fly. Universe ain't gonna let that happen. So
Of
Word.
course not.
It's not in the
You see the
storyline now.
pattern. It happens over and over again. It seems like, oh, we got him now. Let go.
Yeah. This
It
I
We gonna
I
ain't
see.
see
that.
this
We
shit
gonna
been
see.
happening for years though. Going through the same
This
shit for years.
this is to show you the degree of self-hatred that's within us as a collective group of people. It's deep as shit.
It's ready. I'm ready.
Huh?
Should be ready.
Yeah.
See, I'm still on
Here's
through
what I
it.
will say. Here's what I want to say to everybody.
We gonna get you live on
I want to
IG.
say this. I want to say this and taking responsibility in my own actions. I will say this.
Okay.
I know that I scared a lot of people. That I portrayed myself to be the big black guy, the big black scary guy. But truly, I'm a really
Yeah.
sweet person, and I'm not like that. But I'm also a man. I'm a dominant male, and I'm a very intelligent man. Trying to help people out with my life to the public, and this is what I got, and I hate it. Um, but all prophets were hated. All prophets were in prison. All prophets were. I'm just showing you the signs of a prophet. Think about it.
Yep.
Mm.
They
Pushing
want
through.
to crucify me. They want me dead. There's a hate around me.
Mm.
Feel it? That's like any other prophet. Only me. I'm the return of the Christ. And we are in the age of Aquarius. So we are here. We are here to be awakened. So this won't turn out like people think it's going to turn out.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to turn out. This is about to
push it
turn
through.
out very differently than what people think it's going to turn out.
Gotta go down
So
every time.
I know that the weapon is being formed,
Mm-hmm.
but it will not prosper. But I also want people to know that I also forgive my accusers. My heart is light as a feather.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in good spirits, and thank you for everybody that's supporting me. I got my back, no matter what happens.
Thanks.
Remember,
Mm-hmm.
right here, I'm with you forever. I'm in your heart.
Mm-hmm.
Pushing through.
Watch my videos. I put my videos out, for you guys to be awakened by. So, just watch the videos, man. Get the knowledge. We got it all on the
Hey,
YouTube page, and
hey, fam. Hey, what's going on with the crib right now?
They at the
we
house.
got to be out of there about 30. We got to be out of there by the 30th,
Mm-hmm.
and they rated us like we was drug dealers.
For real.
No,
Yeah, no, for
real
real.
talk.
They treated it like
I
a
was
trap.
look, I was gonna watch that video too. I haven't even saw it. Like I haven't even saw what actually happened. Like them coming in and all of this and that. I haven't saw none of that.
Yeah,
No.
they came in with guns pointed. But here's the thing: that's not the first time that happened to us.
Nope.
Snipers, boy.
It's like the third time. Fourth.
Fourth. For me, fourth.
All that means is that we're powerful.
Yup.
We done.
Pushing 3.
Pushing 3.
We ain't even leave the house yet.
Damn.
Right.
Y'all, it's not the feds. It's not the feds. I keep telling y'all that. It's county. It's not the
It was
feds.
not the feds.
They gotta blow it up.
That serious.
This is not the feds, y'all.
This is not on the federal level.
They don't know the difference.
They heard it in a rap song. They think everything is the feds.
Right.
No, they thought it was the feds because SWAT was there.
Nah, I
Not the
ain't gonna lie.
feds.
Like people hate me. They've been hating me. I mean, that's just been my life, man.
Truth speaker.
Ever since I started speaking truth, people hated me.
Yeah.
And also, I want to say that I'm misunderstood.
Shit, I thought they were
Well,
playing
put the
too.
threes in the building.
Right.
Threes in the building.
They don't let the threes in the jump.
Look at Brandon.
You gotta use his phone.
Just keep your threes, keep your spine straight, keep your mind right. Stay sober, yo. Stay sober while I'm in here.
Of course.
Pushing 3.
I'm already high off
Stay on point. Just continue to work. Continue to put the work out as you can. That's it. So all you can do is continue to try to work.
Pushing 3.
You already know what I'm gonna be doing, my chief.
Once the investigation is over, they have to give us some property back. So
Hold on, say that one more time for the people, my chief.
I said they have to give us our property back once the investigation is over.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Everything.
All they gonna do is learn mad knowledge on it.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like,
They gonna be lit. They
go
gonna get it right.
ahead, investigate. You gonna elevate.
Hey, man, you was talking about this, and I wanted to know. New followers, new disciples.
The court case gonna turn into a
Wow.
class.
Damn.
Pull out the PowerPoint.
Are you man?
Really?
Yeah.
Nigel Wood. Man,
You
you
might
got
wanna
boss
put a little
low
bit
as
closer.
hell.
He
Say it
there?
again, King.
Hey, let me
I
tell you.
remember that text I sent you yesterday morning.
There we go.
Oh, Queen. Queen.
Oh,
Can you come up a little bit for the camera?
Yes, I'm alright.
Phone low.
Real quick. No.
It's you.
He talking to Malia.
I miss all y'all. I just
Nah, we get it. We get it.
I know.
This shit crazy.
This shit bogus. She knows she lying too. You know she down bad. But it's alright, she
But
don't give a
I'm in
shit.
here. I'm in here for another reason.
Yep.
I'm trying to figure out what is the other reason I would be here.
You sparking light somewhere.
Right.
That's in that dark
It's
box.
something deeper than what it appears.
Yeah, it's something beyond. Oh, you just in here.
Yeah,
right.
of course,
You gotta look
yeah.
at the
Nah,
meaning of it.
you are a symbol. You are a symbol, and it's
Anybody
being.
know the bond? And could anybody find out the bond on my charges?
Right. That'll be
It,
His phone or that one?
we can look it up and see.
Okay,
similar
hold on.
charges.
Cause let me
It didn't
see.
say
I
one
don't
when I
think
seen
it's
it.
posted online though.
Yeah,
Everybody
like
said
it.
right
Okay,
now.
so look. So when it came to me, it don't have nothing.
Yeah, it ain't
Zero.
posted yet.
It ain't ready yet. Yeah, it's
Cause
just say
don't the
zero.
judge decide the bail?
Yeah, you gotta go to the magistrate.
I thought.
No, I think he'll. Okay, so look.
You
So
might
I
be
believe
something.
once he go to court, then that's once he go see a
Is it
judge,
like a
then they'll
serious?
let y'all know whether they'll let him know whether he has bond or not.
Right.
Like once he gonna have to go to court first. He got to go see a judge first. Bond hearing. That's what it is.
Oh, okay.
So that'll be probably in the
And you have a
morning.
phone in there too? Oh, that's
Shit, that'll be in a couple of hours. Cause it's 4:09 where y'all at, and it's 3:09 where I'm at. So
About
that'll be in
5
the
hours,
morning.
yeah.
Yeah, he got a couple of hours. Yeah, he's bond hearing, bail hearing. Yeah. Oh, they said arraignment. Okay. So in a couple of hours.
Why they locked me up? I understand why they had to lock me up. I understand that. Because of the charges, the accusation. You gotta lock me up. You can't not with those kind of charges and accusations. You have to do somebody has to get locked up. You know what I mean? Now, as far as the bail goes, that's up to the judge and what I put. I ain't got no criminal record like that. You know what I mean? But the prosecutor might be like, "Oh, this is a cult leader.
Yeah.
We have reason to believe that he was free. You know, we need to finish this investigation. We need to hold him until we finish the investigation or some shit like that." But it's like,
Wow. They don't give you a bill.
huh?
They gonna give you one.
He's
I know they're
saying.
gonna give me a bail because the detective said it.
Yeah.
The detective said you get bail tomorrow.
Yeah, that's what he
That's
told
what
us.
it's gonna be.
Yeah, when he go to court in the morning, a couple of hours. It'll be in a couple of hours.
How much it is tomorrow?
Yeah. No, that'll be in a couple of hours. That'll be today.
Have the right
That
bill.
should be this morning. In about 5 hours or something. He should be going to court like at 8 or 9 o'clock.
You said they're
like-
gonna get you
something
in
like
at 1, right?
That's what somebody said. I'll probably go at 1 tomorrow, but just be ready for all that. Y'all should come up here early.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay. Man.
Yes, okay.
Because don't nobody want to be locked up. I swear.
Make sure you have everything.
Who this Solo right here?
Yeah, we all right here. The whole family right here.
What up? Hey, so I know this might be a process for Nature Boy, but just in case anybody want to send a donation, put it in the comments real fast, fam.
All right, bet.
If y'all want to send a donation, it's in the comments, y'all.
He didn't ask no specific person, y'all. Listen, if the shoe fit, if the shoe don't fit, don't wear it. He didn't point out certain people. No, bitch, you shut up. He didn't point out no certain people. Damn.
I don't even see it. Just put
Right.
Put
If
dollar.
you do, you do. If you don't, you don't.
Put $sign in the comments.
Yeah.
It's
And
not a big deal, y'all. Calm down. Damn.
Joker? Yes. Yes, sir. You good? Don't worry about you.
Yeah.
Pyramid.
Girl.
Yeah. I know you're getting out tomorrow. So.
And even if I don't, we're gonna ride it out together.
Yeah, we're gonna be
That's
at
what-
we're
that's
gonna be
for
out.
sure.
We're gonna be outside that.
Okay, thank you,
We're gonna be
Chardonnay.
aboard the bus. Talking about some
Damn.
Three.
Oh my God.
Continue to move forward.
Of course.
Three.
Mama Ai right here. Mama Sheba right here. Michelle's right here.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Let me hear your voice.
I'm doing
I'm
good.
here. 3.
Fine, wonderful.
Good.
Fine.
I'm right here. We good. Keeping
Hey,
it 3.
so they never locked
What
none of
say,
y'all up.
Poppy?
They just took y'all for questioning.
They just
Yeah,
detained
they
them.
detained us.
He want to hear your voice.
Okay.
Just
Poppy, you
detained.
there? Okay. We miss you. We miss you.
Right here. Somewhere high.
Man,
You
he
know
ain't
he's
got
somewhere
that
high.
right here. Oh.
He's somewhere
Nah,
high.
I'm right here.
Oh, you going? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's not the lot. Oh, you talk over here.
Phone right
Look
there.
over.
That boy
It's too
ain't
many.
gonna put
Like
on.
3. Yeah, I'm right here, my chief. Hold the phone.
So this is where I was struggling with my body.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Something
Man.
special.
Something special's about to happen. Something special's about to happen.
We feel
Push it 3. Push it 3. Push it 3.
You gonna go
Three.
Damn.
3.
Yeah, buddy.
Mm.
One thing I can say, goddamn it, look, they gonna ride. Shit.
Oh, y'all ain't noticed that after 4 years? What
Baby,
the?
look, baby,
She
look,
said
baby,
we
they
gonna
gonna
ride.
ride
She
or
talking about
wrong,
one thing she
goddamn
know about us, we gonna ride. Yeah, of course.
Damn.
Y'all ain't figured that out yet?
Push it
I'm,
3.
I'm pretty sure they know that. Shit.
That's why these moments happen.
Shit.
Right.
I'm
Show
pretty
y'all,
sure
damn,
they
these
know
niggas
it.
still ain't going nowhere. Damn. They just mad because they ain't got no family. You could just join out. Stop hating because, huh?
Whatever you do, don't become numb.
Oh, of course, yeah, of course.
Whatever you do, don't become them.
Yeah, I still love you. I'm gonna tell you how I feel though.
Stand up.
I'm gonna tell you how I feel. I still love you. I still forgive you and all that. You can't stay here though.
Damn.
I can't hear you. But why the phone so low?
No, I'm here.
Oh, okay, yeah, now I can hear you. You had went low for a
You
little
should
bit.
just be.
You sure?
That's what I
Just
heard.
be some.
You sure?
Man, I hope y'all asses was riding for me like this hell.
Maybe.
Shit.
You said just be what? You said just be what, my chief? Just be what now?
Don't let them people get you upset.
Oh, I'm not upset. I am not upset.
Doubt it, L.
I realize
Girl, sit down.
They scared.
I scared a lot of people with my ego.
They don't know how to process.
Oh, and let me say this while they right here. For the people who keep saying this damn human trafficking, y'all, human trafficking didn't have nothing to do with this. Let me just go on and clear that up. Shit. Woo.
Oh, what you going on?
They kept saying
See your
that.
what's up?
Be out there soon.
Welcome.
Check what's up.
Who? Check WhatsApp. Who, me?
Nah.
Oh.
There you go.
Yep. You're gonna have to call
Yeah,
back
make that
in
a
a
lottery
second.
right there.
Make what?
I'm about to
Okay.
text it to you right now.
All right, bye-bye, Instagram. That's enough. Send your support.
Okay, y'all gone?
Y'all can put that cash
Is
app in the
Nature Boy
lottery and
gone off the
everybody can see
phone?
it.
Keep pushing
Yeah.
G-O-D.
Oh, he
You
gone.
off
That's it
of
right there.
Okay.
I'm
Instagram
gonna do it one
shut
more
down.
time.
She about to make a lottery.
No, he gone. They left. They about to do what? Man. They gone. They be riding hard as fuck for him. I ain't gonna lie.
Pushing keys.
They really do. They be riding hard as fuck. Shit. No, to me that ain't scary. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I want motherfuckers to ride for me like that. For real.
You do got
I
people
don't give a
riding like that for
damn.
you. You got
What?
people like right. You got people riding like that for you. All
I
your
guess.
haters. All your haters be riding for you.
Look at him talking about all your haters. Look,
They make
Granny,
sure they
really? Really?
your haters be on the phone with the DA right now, sending in shit. And this
I swear
with
to
Brandon.
God.
Hey, And Brandon give Eb all the
Man, I know
dragons.
they sending them all kind of shit.
Trying to find
Like,
their hardest to
that's
connect us to it.
crazy. And Brandon, I knew they had hyped this shit up to be. I told my people that. I said, y'all, we can't really say, but man, that shit probably ain't even feds. That shit probably ain't even all what they hyping this shit up to be with the feds and SWAT and da da da. And like,
These dumbass haters, y'all. We got
but
some
I
dumb.
told my
We got.
people, I'm gonna give y'all the real deal. We ain't gonna sugarcoat it. We ain't gonna add nothing to it. We ain't gonna make it sound too entertaining. Nah, we ain't doing none of that. We gonna give y'all real spill, real deal, period.
And you dumbass
Okay?
haters, these motherfuckers got our name in their damn mouth on YouTube. Somebody named Nika at night. Nika at night. Y'all ever heard of Nika at night?
No, I never heard of her before, but they sure came over here with that. That's why I said,
Mm. These
oh
motherfuckers
yeah,
in the
we finna
comments
watch
talking
it.
about
We finna watch it.
here
We
goes
gonna
some of
watch
the